Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim Lenskart warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to lenskart.com. Then from here, once you're on their main page, they've got a search button here. So just basically go ahead and click on that search bar and type in warranty. So like so. Now that's going to come to the search results inside of Lenskart for warranty. Then from here you want to scroll down and look for warranty. So keep scrolling down, we've got policies here, and then they click onto warranty policy. And now have a good read of this as well, because this is going to be able to see if you can actually claim a warranty on your product. Now from here, keep scrolling down. It's going to show you how to claim the warranty here. So as it states here, so how to claim: customers are required to submit 3 to 4 clear pictures of the product along with their order ID and contact details. Customers can connect on Lenskart chat support with us, so you can go ahead and click on that little phone on the bottom of the page here, bottom right, and submit their pictures. The team will review the claim and revert within 24 to 48 working hours. Now, complete warranty claims process involves validation of defects through the expert team, and hence the complete process could take within 5 to 7 working days, and they're going to give you updates and status clarification on your claim shall be sent on email. Now, yeah, you can reach out on the chat here, or they've got a phone number here as well. If we keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page, obviously you can chat on WhatsApp, and yeah, they got another number.